Hi, I'm Matt Meyer, and I am a solution architect with the VMware Lab Platform team. And today we're talking about the lab Introduction to Programming with the Hugging Face Coding Assistant. This lab is showcasing our partnership with Hugging Face, and this shows our Copilot, Programming Copilot plugin that is leveraging the large language model that is being hosted and trained for VMware software. And so a more junior developer doesn't need to know how to necessarily develop with all of the syntax of a particular language. As an example, you can take just comments, put them in natural language, and it will then spit out the code. So as an example, you can just put pound, this is what I want to do, and it's going to write the syntax and create your application. Definitely a more senior developer could develop scripts or new code more efficiently and faster, but it also is targeted to more of a junior developer that may not necessarily know the ins and outs of the language, but has an idea of workflows that he wishes to accomplish. And then you can get those results a lot faster. This is a brand new lab. This is a brand new partnership with Hugging Face. The lab was actually created just last week while we were it was a secret announcement, and so we put this lab together last minute, and so this is our first edition of the lab. It starts off pretty simple, introducing you to using the interface and how to write the comments and the expected behavior. And then once you get familiar with it, it then goes into more of a freestyle where we're allowing the user to go in and write their own script, use their own imagination, and then you get about an hour and a half to just play with the product and see what you can create.